morning, guys. December 16th, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a guy. He's got a 90 plus York hot air furnace down in his basement. It's a propane unit, and he's calling for no heat. So we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. I think it's got a real hard flame sensor to get to, if I remember right. Maybe that's what it is. We'll have to see what's going on with it. Could be anything. Could be, you know, batteries in the thermostat are bad. Who the hell knows? But anyway, we're going over there now, and I have worked on his AC in the past. He's got a micro-channel 410A condenser out there. Tyler York. But anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get this thing running for him. We'll give it to you. How you doing? See if we get it going for the guy. See what's going on. He said he's got propane. I asked him about if he had propane in the tank. He said yes. According to the gauge, it has, you know, gas in the tank. It's always good to go check the stove. Make sure there's gas coming out the stove. Some guy sent me a Jed Clampett, little Jed Clampett guy. Where am I gonna put him? Maybe we'll hang him over here or something. Jed Clampett. Oh yeah, man, well, we got a Jed Clampett now to hang out with Mr. Grinch. I don't know what this is on there for. It says the fan runs, but if there's any gas coming in. This thing kind of goes through the flame sensor, which is kind of odd. Yeah, we're going to clean that flame sensor if I can even get it out. Look at it way in the back there. Stupid. How am I even going to get to it? Probably have to take this gas all apart to get to it. Stupid. Can you see it in there? I mean, it's way in the back. I don't even know. It's a flipping shit show. Jesus, shit show. Can I even get it out? take the whole thing apart, the whole collector box, to get it out of there. I don't even know. Maybe a stubby. No flipping joke. I figure they'd make this shit user-friendly, but no. No. Let's see if I can get this out. Whatever this little switch thing is. I moved it around. That's hooked into the flame sensor. I think that might have been, see if I can back that out of there. I don't know. Maybe I can get in there now. I could take that right out of there if I could, to be honest with you. What we got there? Should be able to back that out of there. Give me more room. A shit show. Alright, now I can get in there. So I can get in there now. I mean, why would they make it so hard to get to? I mean, really? Doesn't make any sense. Wonder why I never take it out to clean this piece of shit. What a flipping job. Don't look that dirty, but all it takes is a little bit of shit on there. Don't take much. Alright, so put that back together like that. That flame sensor. Not an easy one to clean, I'll tell you. Not an easy one to clean. What a pain in the ass this thing is. Some kind of little safety switch that runs in tandem with the flame sensor, this thing. So it takes us one little thing. We've got to screw everything up, right? Screw up your flipping day. Kind of going in on a flipping, going in the cattywampus area. She's a cattywampus. Try it again, see what happens. See if it fires up this time. Turn the gas on. This thing is hooked up in series with the flame sensor. Clean flame sensor. Right on the ground. Sitting right on the ground. Crazy. a pile of York. Crazy place to have a flame sensor. I got it cleaned. I think that's what the issue was. It's running fine now. Well, Miss Molly. Well, Miss Molly. How's it going, Miss Molly? All right, push over. Come on, we gotta go to work. Got time to be playing around here. No time for games, Miss Molly. No time for games. No time for games, Miss Molly.